What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be taking a look at how we can create rules in Microsoft Outlook. Now this is a great way to manage your Outlook inbox, and it's a good way to manage all your different types of email from different companies. So this is a good way of managing your inbox. Now to set this up, you can click on the rules up the top here. Now rules is right up here, and you can see it's always move messages from say banggood.com, or create a new rule, or manage rules and alerts. That's the one we're going to go for. And you can see here we have new rule, change rule, copy, delete, and also run rules now and options inside here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on a new rule to create a new rule here, and you can see up the top here we have some organization presets in here where it says move messages from someone to a folder. I want to come down to this bit, start from a blank rule. So we're going to apply a rule on messages I receive. Now we're going to click on this and click next, and that's the bit we want to do. Now inside here you can see which conditions do you want to check. Now you can check some conditions in here that you want to check, but I'm just interested in setting this up the way I like it. So what I'm going to do is come down here, and we're going to look at where it says with specific words in the sender's address here. That's the one we're going to be clicking on, and I'll quickly just put a tick inside this little box here. You'll see it listed up just here, and what we need to do is just put a tick in the actual box, and then we can change the specific words that we want to put in the sender's address there. So you can see down the bottom now it's starting to create our little rule, and what we want to do here is click on the specific words. I have trouble saying that word all the time, and inside here we can now add our words. So what I'm going to do is put banggood.com, and that means any type of word with banggood.com or any type of email that comes in with that address will be put into a certain folder. Now we can add other words in here if we wanted to. If they use more than one domain, you can actually do that, and we're going to be actually using just that one in here. Now you can see here up the top it says move it to a specific folder. You can do that also if you wanted to, or you can do what other permissions here that you want to set up, okay? But that's the one we're going to go for in this case. So I'm going to put a tick inside here, and you can see it's created that down the bottom here saying move into a specific folder. Now we can click on that and designate this to a folder of our choice. So let's go ahead and create a new folder. You can call yours what you like. I'm going to call mine Banggood, and that will be so I know everything that comes in is from Banggood, and it saves me having to scroll through all these emails here. So all I need to do here now is click OK, and they will all be designated to that folder. Now I also want to put in another little rule here, which is stop processing more rules, and I'm also going to tick this box here, and you can see that's added that rule inside the bottom there. So what I want to do next is click on next, and you can see here are there any other exceptions that you want to add. I don't want to add any more exceptions, but you can do if you want to, but I'm going to just leave that as it is. But if you do need to add more exceptions, this is the place to add them. Now once we've done that, we need to specify a name for this rule. So I'm just going to call this Banggood incoming or something like that, because I like to section them out as incoming and outgoing, so I know exactly what I've sent. Okay, so these are what are coming in from Banggood, and also I'm going to put a tick in here to run this rule right now, and also turn on this rule, and you can see here create this rule on all accounts. So if you had more than one account, you can actually tick that. I've only got one account here. Once we've done that, we can click finish, and what it's going to do is calculate all the emails in your inbox and put them into that Banggood folder which we got there, and as they come in they will automatically be sent straight into that folder which you've just seen be created on the left hand side there. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can create rules inside Microsoft Outlook. It's pretty straightforward, and it really is a good way of tidying up your inbox. Anyway, my name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for your continued support. Have a lovely weekend, and I shall see you again for another video soon. Bye for now.